have some exciting news for you guys. Well, I'm excited, but I have somebody in the car with me who's a little bit more excited. My mom. We are currently on a road trip throughout middle of America, and we literally left with no bookings for anything. The only two places that we knew we wanted to go were Pawhuska, Oklahoma, and Austin, Texas. Now, why did we want to go to Pawhuska?
Pioneer Woman.
So my mom absolutely loves the Pioneer Woman TV show hosted by Ree Drummond. It's a cooking show. I've watched it a couple of times myself, but this is definitely my mom's favorite show. And Ree Drummond basically did to Pawhuska, Oklahoma, what Chip and Joanna Gaines did to Waco, Texas, where she opened up a few businesses, restaurants, and of course her boarding house, which has been booked for 2 years out since the day that it opened. So we kind of knew when we went on this road trip that we wouldn't be able to stay there, but my mom still really wanted to see Pawhuska and all of the shops and restaurants. And then something happened a couple nights ago. A room opened up at the boarding house for one night, and it just happens to be when we were passing through town. So my mom snatched it up, and we're going to be staying at the Pioneer Woman boarding house, and we're going to be giving you the full experience. So stay tuned. Okay, we're about 10 minutes outside of town, and we just saw a sign that said Drummond Ranch, so of course we pulled a Ooyy, and as we're pulling up, a truck with a woman inside was pulling out. Who knows who that could have been? We're gonna pretend it's Ree. Sure. Just for fun.
If you can't get a reservation at the boarding house, don't worry, there's still plenty of other things to do in town.
If you're looking for something else to do in Pawhuska, you can always go to the Swinging Bridge.
You can find the Welcome to Pawhuska sign.
You can go shopping at the Mercantile. You can get a s'mores latte on the second floor of the Mercantile at the coffee shop. You can go on the hunt for Ree's secret parking spot.
You can spend some time walking around and exploring this quirky little town.
You can come to P-Town and get some pizza. We got the pizzeria, and of course, a refreshing lemonade.
And finally, it's time for us to check into our room at the boarding house.
The building was constructed in 1920 and originally housed the Indian silk shop, as well as curios and pickins ready-to-wear.
Oh, hi. Welcome to the butterfly room.
It later became a JCPenney department store where some residents of Pawhuska still remember going to shop as a child. We are honored to breathe new life into this old gem and let its natural beauty shine. The BH is ready to welcome new and returning visitors to Pawhuska. We have fun here.
We have a living room. We have a desk area with some personalized boarding house stationery. Outside our window, we have a great view of downtown Pawhuska. We can see Charlie's Sweet Shop, we can see P-Town Pizza, where we just had an amazing lunch, and we overlook our balcony where we're gonna have a 5 o'clock reception. We have a mini kitchen area with a mini fridge, some snacks. We have our safe down here, and what's really cool is they already delivered our purchases from next door at the Mercantile. Right when you enter the suite, we have a powder room because obviously we need more than one bathroom in our hotel room. Even though it's an older building, they still added in a lot of nice modern features, like with the touch of a button, you can lower and raise the window shades. And a giant TV with movies that are being shown in theaters. And we have a giant fluffy bed. But the piece de resistance of this entire suite has to be the bathroom. Come on in. We have a vanity area. There's a water closet. We have not one, but 2 closets in the bathroom. with robes. They feel super soft. Not only do we have 2 closets, but we have 2 sinks. We have a clawfoot tub. But my favorite part of this entire bathroom has to be, we have a walk-through shower.
When we decided to book this whole adventure, I never thought we'd get a room at the boarding house, but we were lucky and somebody must have canceled. But we got the second largest room in the boarding house out of the 8 rooms. This is 714 square feet, called the Butterfly Room. It is gorgeous.
Yes, and huge.
And huge, and the surprise was it actually has 2 bathrooms for us. No waiting, but the large bathroom is to die for.
Phenomenal. We have a great little sitting area here because tonight is Tuesday, so we're gonna be watching The Bachelor. Really just trying to soak in as much time in the room as we possibly can because we only have it for one night, so we really want to enjoy it.
Yes, and they've been unbelievable, the whole staff.
So nice.
They've been calling us for the last 3 days. Once a day we get a phone call to make sure, what would you like us to do for you? They cannot do enough. They've been super, super friendly. And even at the stores and the restaurants that we visited, super, super friendly.
Shauna, who checked us in, brought our luggage.
She hauled them up 2
Yeah.
flights of stairs, 1 in each arm. So that was very nice of her.
Yeah, the staff could not be nicer. I'm just excited to hang out in here. We have a 5 o'clock wine and cheese reception on the patio tonight. And other than that, we're gonna take it easy in the room and then tomorrow explore the town a little bit more. Cheers. Cheers. Come on in. Just kidding. You coming?
Oh, you little stinker. You